Hey, welcome to another great dessert class here at the Pastor's Pantry Cooking School. I'm your host, Chef Sam Peters, along with my wife, Joyce, on the other side of the camera.
Howdy.
Howdy, she says. We've got a great dessert class for you. We're making our Italian lemon ricotta cake. This is a recipe we found recently, and we thought it'd be a great day to try that out for an Italian class we're putting together. So first, let me start off by sharing with you what we do every class, the gospel of good taste. There's two things Joyce and I are passionate about. The first is that we believe everything's about stewardship, that every good and perfect gift is given to us by God. James 1:17 tells us that. And we want to try to teach you some things about food, because food is a gift. And we want to try to teach you some things about food that will help you enhance the dining experience at your house. The second thing we're passionate about is we believe God created us to be in community with one another. And we don't believe there's a better metaphor for community than food. And so hopefully by teaching you some things about food and giving you some great recipes, you'll be able to invite your family around the table to have a wonderful time eating together, building relationships, building community with one another. Well, let me share with you just briefly what's in this recipe. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a half teaspoon salt, 1½ cups semolina flour, 1 container or 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, 4 large eggs, 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 4 medium lemons zested, 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract, and confectioner's sugar. All right, so we've got an oven preheated to 375 degrees. We've also coated a 10-inch springform pan with some nonstick spray, but now it's time to put the ingredients together. So in my saucepan, what I've been doing is just kind of heating some milk, water, and butter and salt together. Just got that up just to a nice simmer. I've got just a little bit of steam coming over that. And to that, we're going to begin to whisk in our semolina flour. You want to whisk in just a little bit at a time. We're going to get this all incorporated in there. I just don't want to dump it in. You'll end up with one big giant flour ball. We don't want that yet. We want to blend this into the milk mixture. Just keep whisking. Once it all gets incorporated, add a little bit more. Starting to thicken up on me there. That's what we want. We just want to try to make sure we get all the lumps out of it. All right, we can take it off the heat. I just want to continue to whisk. Let's get this all incorporated. So what you're going for is this almost looks like a mashed potato consistency, okay? That's what you're going for. We're going to set that aside. We'll come back to that. Now, we have a large mixing bowl that we want to go ahead and combine our ricotta cheese. Again, this is a 15-ounce package of ricotta. Let's get all of that in there. You can find ricotta almost every grocery store these days. You want to get all of that in there. Don't want to leave anybody behind. All right, we have 4 eggs. And again, I've shared this tip before. You just hit eggs one time on the side of the pan. You'll have fewer shells end up in your ingredients. You don't do a tap, 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 tap. It's just one time. That's all you need. There's our 4 eggs. Got those all incorporated. I'm going to go ahead and begin to blend this in a little bit, and then we'll keep adding our ingredients. We've got our sugar. Just going to fold all of that in. Try to keep that in the center of our camera there, Joyce. Trying to, anyway. All right. Next, we want to add in our lemon zest, and I'm just using a food rasp. Okay. And all we want to do is to get in just the lemon part, the yellow part, not the white part of our zest. These little food rasps are handy. I want you to go out to our website, patterfamsauces.com. We have a gear tab out there, and we have these kind of gadgets out there. You can order those there. It'll take you right to Amazon, and you can get this at your house. But this is a lot handier and a lot faster. And there's different kinds. There's bigger ones than this, but this is one I like. There's one. You can see it doesn't take long to zest a lemon with a food rasp. And if you've got one of those little tiny zesters, it just pulls off the little cute ribbons. It'll take you all day to do this amount. You can use a box grater also, those work. I think the zest is a little bit too small with that. I like the pieces we get off of this rasp. I'll put a pile in a new spot. How about that?
How about that?
How about that? We'll just keep on getting this out of there. I always love it when Joyce's magic hand appears out of nowhere and takes stuff out of the frame. Pay no attention to the woman behind the camera. I actually pay a lot of attention to her. She does all the heavy lifting around here. She does all the prep work. I just get to do the cooking. I get to do what I do because she does what she does so well. One more to go. Oh, it smells good in here already. Years ago, I used to have a lemon tree when I lived in Florida, back in my backyard, and it was kind of neat. Every now and then, some of the leaves would fall out of the tree and get down on the lawn. Whenever I would mow the lawn and go past the tree, my mower would chew up those lemon leaves, and it smelled like this, like I was zesting a lemon. It was the only part of the yard I like to cut, to be honest with you. All right, so we have zest of 4 lemons in here as well. To this, we want to add our vanilla extract. Use pure vanilla extract. Don't use the fake stuff, okay? All right, and then we want to, I'm actually going to whisk this at this point. I think I just want to get this all incorporated. Get it nice and smooth. And then we're going to add that flour mixture that we've already made. Okay, let me get this in there. Again, it's just the consistency of mashed potatoes. That's about the best way I can describe that to you. It takes a while for that semolina flour to absorb that milk mixture. But once it does, it's pretty good stuff. So this is going to make our cake batter super yummy. And then we want to do the same thing. Let's just whisk this again until it gets nice and smooth. You can see it's coming together. Ooh, it still smells good, lemony. Yummy stuff already. Going on in the kitchen. All right, so now we have our prepared springform pan. Again, we went ahead and sprayed that earlier with a little cooking spray. We're gonna get all of our batter in here now. Get all of that batter in there that we can. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to put this in a 375-degree oven for about an hour, and then we'll stick a toothpick in it. When it comes out clean, we know it's done. Listen, to get this recipe and all of our great recipes, go out to our website, patterfamsauces.com, and you'll be able to find them. And when you make this, be sure and share that out on our Facebook page as well. We love to brag about you, so put those out there and show us your great cooking. And we also have a brand new designated YouTube channel, The Pastor's Pantry St. Peter's is how you're going to find it right now. But we want to encourage you to go out to our YouTube, and you'll see a whole lot of great recipes and cooking classes out there. We're also going to be doing a special contest. Once we hit 100 subscribers on our YouTube channel, we're going to draw out 10 lucky winners out of those 100 and send you all some great prizes. So go out to our YouTube channel, subscribe to it. Be sure you make it a public subscription so we know what your name is. And maybe you'll be a winner. Hope so. We'll show you what this looks like here soon. Hey, our lemon ricotta cake is baked in the oven. It's nice. The toothpick came out clean. What we want to do is we have a cool little tool. I don't know which camera we're on here, but we have a cool little tool that marks all of our pieces out. And so we're going to cut this into 12 even pieces. And so I'm just going to mark that. Gives me a nice little dotted line. We're going to take it out of our springform pan. Doesn't that look great? You got that, Joyce?
I got it.
Oh man, that looks so stinking good. All right, well let's just cut. How about we just cut a single piece for now? I just want to get this on a plate. So we're going to get on our little dotted lines here. Super moist. It smells so lemony. I'm telling you what. All right. A little powdered sugar for garnish. And we're going to top this with a little twist of lemon on top. And there you go, man. Italian lemon ricotta cake. That is fantastic.